Alright, so I've got the front floor welded in now, and it fit very well. I'm pleased. I know I go on and on about how this sheet metal fits quite well, and the reason is that a lot of sheet metal you get for various cars, reproduction sheet metal, is terrible. I mean, it could be an inch off here and there. So I think this stuff from Restoration Design up in Canada is really pretty good. The only sort of weird thing is on the front floor pan, this bump is lower than the other ones, and that's not original. I'm not sure what that's about. It's right below the shifter, and I don't think it is for the shifter, but I could be wrong. This could be something from a later car. I don't know. If I was restoring a car to absolutely original standards, I wouldn't be thrilled about that, but it's okay. And I'm about to do this rather tricky repair back here, which is commonplace for 911s to rust out, of course. Right below the rear torsion bar area, which is pretty well missing. It's quite bad. Yikes. So I've already done the other side, all the way from the back of the rocker around and all the way up, in fact, over the rear wheel arch. And you'll notice that I've added this curious washer here, which is in fact more than a washer. What it is a jack point. And what I did is I welded a tube up, a very strong solid tube up to the torsion bar tube inside internally. And the reason I did that is because I know it's not original, but I really wanted a jack point there. I don't like jacking on the torsion bar here. And a lot of 911s you see are just hammered in this area because everyone jacks on this thin sheet metal here, and you're really not supposed to do that, but people do it anyway. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, welding a tube essentially up to this torsion bar torque tube there. And you can also see in here, these are the tubes for the heat. And they go all the way up, all the way around through this channel to there. And so you can imagine that that's the reason these cars don't always make the best heat. I mean, look at all the dissipation of heat, all these metal tubes that it has to go through, about 10 feet, 8 to 10 feet maybe, from front to rear. So, and then it goes through a tube, inside the rocker, and then another tube up here. So you need to accelerate hard to get any heat, and then when you get off the gas, the heat dissipates. So, yeah, another reason to speed, right? And there's my beautiful original 69 911E. Some nice flowers in the background. I don't know why I need another one. Oh, the engine, more power, right? Okay, part 5, signing off.